Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix desktop location not available in Windows 10 PC. So friends, if you want to fix this error, so there is very simple and easy method. Firstly, click on start and type this PC. Click on this PC. Now click on C drive. In here click on Windows. Now in here click on System32, this folder. So click on it. Now in here click on config. Now click on system profile. Now friends, in this system profile folder, you need to create a new folder. So right click any empty area and click on new, then click on folder. Now type desktop and close it and restart your PC. So friends, it will help to fix this error. And another thing you should try, you should scan the C drive. So there is a very simple and easy tool to scan the drive. Click on start and again type this PC. Now right click on C drive, click on properties, tools and click on check. So it will check some system errors in your C drive. So just click on check and click on scan drive. Now wait for a while. Close it. So friends, by this very simple and easy method, we can fix Windows PC error. The desktop location is not available. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update. And friends, please comment this video work for you or not.